Time for a long form video, kind of show off my Kyle Noseworthy Productions restoration of my old HK0135 green pick bone knife I had for over 20 years. I broke the handle and smashed it up. There's pictures in the lead up to this video showing the old, what this used to be. This one here. The pictures don't do this knife justice. The handle, the type of wood, I don't know, but it has copper, like copper inlay strings with the grain, in the grain of the wood handles, and a really three-dimensional polish quality to it. He also, of course, buffed, cleaned up and shined up the nickel silver bolsters and restored the blade. It's sharpened and mirror shiny. Of course, it's much different than the original green pick bone. This is a new model, a new old stock model I picked up that is a copy, exact copy of my old HK0135 GP. It's not ugly by any means. It has the pick bone handles to it, different feel altogether, a little edgy. Kyle's I don't know if he's renowned for it, but he makes a really comfortable handling knife, both with the smoothness of the handles and the round. He rounds off the edge, take the bite away from the fingertips. It's a true work of art, the restoration. But these are by no means ugly knives, and they are the J.A. Henckels design is, the lockback design is extremely functional. It's a hunting knife in a sense, a working hunting knife. It's got some good weight to it. This is actually feels a little lighter in men. It does. This is lighter than the original green pick bone handle. This seems to have a much heftier feel to it. The blue, I believe this is either purple or blue pick bone, that another new old stock model that I bought. It's seen a little, well, this had package wear to it, but it's still nice, clean and shiny bolsters. The what would you call it? The numbers for the I'm not really sure what they call it. A loss for words of why they number the runs, but because they're not all green picked, they're not all blue. The style, the 0135 Henckels custom had a style to it, but they didn't differentiate the model run by the serial numbers on the knife. You know, whether, such and such number through another number was going to be a red pick bone or a, what do they call a fossil pick bone, or whatever they're going to be. They just ran a serial number on it. And cool enough, Kyle removed the serial number on this because it's no longer an HK0135. It's a Kyle Noseworthy custom restoration model of the J.A. Henckels knife. And it's just really cool. I can't, like I said, I can't tell you how much the pictures don't do that particular handle material justice. Kyle Noseworthy, K&N Knives, Kyle Noseworthy Production. He makes his own run of fixed blade knives. I forget what they call all. He's got really cool names for them, but they're very handy, and they're carry-friendly fixed blade knives from his production shop up there in Newfoundland, Labrador, Canada. He lives by a bay with the icebergs floating through it every now and then in the wintertime. So, I don't know, I'll give him a little opening. We can. This one opens up. It's got the mirror shine on the knife blade. I'd scuffed that knife blade up pretty heftily using it over the years, and the bolsters. He's got that. I mean, my fingerprints are going to be all over that in a heartbeat. That is a great restoration knife, and it's going in the collection box. I'm not going to beat this thing up again. Oh man, that's really cool. It differs from the stock production. I don't know if you call that custom production knives, but you see the J.A. Henckels, two stick men running around waving at you. This actually is these are a little loose, new, with a blade wobble to them, which this doesn't have. Kyle tightened that up quite nicely. Locks out wonderfully, no blade wobble. Oh yeah. No blade wobble. This one has a little blade wobble to it, but that's okay. Nothing has to be perfect for a collection. J.A. Henckels HK0135 green pick bone and a J.A. Henckels 0135 purple or blue pick bone. Yeah, the stock ones have, when they're closed, they have a little bit of blade wobble, which I've done a video about that. I don't care anything about that. But for the true knife aficionados for custom blades, I guess you want them kind of perfect, which Kyle does. This is makes me very proud to have met and had work done by Mr. Kyle Noseworthy. God, that's sweet. Sweet knife. Oh, that is cool. All right, so God bless everybody in the knife community, and I hope you enjoy your collecting, your whatever it's a habit or a passion. It's kind of cool to know you guys and have learned about people who can really help out making my repair on my J.A. Henckels happen. Like I said, God bless, praise Jesus. Have an absolutely beautiful day.